Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing and first impression of a watch that I'm buying through Amazon. It's an Orient, as you can see. Here is the reference number, you can pause. RA-AK0504B10B. So basically what I'm trying to do with this couple of weeks, I'm trying to get as much affordable or starter watches to, for entry as a hobby. Maybe you want to get a present to your son, daughter, beloved someone, a friend that you want to start them a hobby, or if you want to start the hobby with some kind of mechanical watch, you have a Swatch or a G-Shock and you're thinking about moving up into mechanical but don't want to pay a lot of money for it. So this is the video for you. And today we have this Orient, which looks quite nice, I have to say. As you can see here, yeah, it does look quite nice, right? So anyways, what I was saying, this is the Orient. I told you before the reference number, I don't have to repeat it. It comes on a bracelet in the Orient box. Bracelet feels okay, folded bracelet, as you can see on the side. Definitely rattly, as you can see, and as you all know me, I hate bracelets. I hate rattly bracelets. I'm okay towards bracelets. I like some bracelets, maybe like the Jubilee style bracelet, but I'm not a big fan of bracelets. That's why whenever I get a watch, and always get a watch on a bracelet, even if you're getting a starter watch, so you can, like I'm doing now, you can remove the bracelet if it's an easy bracelet to remove, like this one. You have a, and if it's most probably an Orient, then you have a 20 or a 21 millimeter lug width, so you would have a strap or two to change to. As you can see the watch, let me get you the dimension. It's a kind of a dress watch, office watch. Let me zero this. So the dimensions are as follows. You have the diameter is around 39.5, lug to lug is 44.5, thickness is 11 point, let's say 11.5, and as you can see, it has a automatic movement inside. Oops, yeah, because it's the year of the date, and the day was already engaged. It has a winding. You can hear the winding action. Show you the dial. It looks really nice. It has room in, let's say, numerals. You have the 12, the 3, the 6, and the 9. The 3 is cut by the date window. You have a day-night indicator at 5 o'clock, and at 10 o'clock you have the date indicator, and between the 1 and 2 o'clock you have the Orient logo with automatic and the 3 stars. So let me put it on a strap and show it to you guys on my wrist. I thought before I show it to you on my wrist, I tell you that there's no loom on the watch. As you can see, it's a dress watch. Everything is polished, and there is little to no air coating on the watch, as you can see. But I think in light conditions, when it's dark, where you have lighting on the street, you might get a reflections on the hand. But I don't think it's a good night watch. But as a morning office watch, something like that, pretty good, because you have also the day, the date. You have the night day indication, which you won't need if you're in the office. So let me show it to you on my wrist. So as you can see, take my smidges off on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. It does look quite nice. It has 20 millimeter lug width, and I put this brown Perlon strap on it because I thought it would look good with a dress watch look. And here is the watch on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. I really like it on this Perlon strap. I have to say, Orient did quite well with this watch. So I think it was 130 euros on Amazon. It has the F6B22 with 22 joules automatic movement, running at 21,600 vibration per hour, 40 hours of power reserve. Let me show you the functions as well, because it has a I think the first tick, and I'm going to change the day. If we go anti-clockwise, if we go clockwise, we change the date. Pretty nice watch. The crown is well embossed inside the case. It's not so big. It could be a bit bigger, but other than that, I definitely like the watch. Let's see on the time grapher what the time grapher will tell us about the caliber inside it. So as we can see from this caliber, it's running okay, plus 15, stable, 0.2 beat error, high amplitude 227, and for the price you're paying around 130 euros on Amazon, and like I said, it's not a bad watch. Only thing I would be a little bit judgy about is the 30 meters water resistance, so basically hand washing is, yeah, you would definitely need to keep an eye on that. Other than that, really nice office watch. Let's put this on the side and come back for the finishing remarks on the watch. So the watch is pretty nice. I really like the dial. Like I said, has a lot of details. The sub-dials are put quite nicely, and maybe I would have put the Orient here, but yeah, who knows how it would look like. Anyways, you will see another video with this watch in it where I'm comparing it to the best starter automatic watches, sorry. So be sure to check out my channel in the future. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Doesn't cost you anything. It does help the channel a lot, and hopefully see you in the next one. Bye bye everyone. By the way, the subscribe button is here. The 2 videos that you might like are there.